Imagine waking up one day to find that your hard-earned retirement savings are worth next to nothing. This might sound like a nightmare, but it has happened before. I'm George from digitalprofilers.com, and in this video, we'll discuss the dangers of hyperinflation, its impact on traditional investments, and how precious metals can provide a hedge against such events. Stay tuned to learn why moving your 401k to a precious metals IRA might just be the smartest decision you'll make for your financial future. Let's dive in. Let's start by looking at some historical examples of hyperinflation. Perhaps the most infamous case is the German Weimar Republic in the early 1920s, where prices skyrocketed and the value of the German mark plummeted. People needed wheelbarrows full of cash just to buy a loaf of bread. More recently, Zimbabwe and Venezuela have experienced devastating hyperinflation, wiping out the savings of millions of people. So, how does hyperinflation affect traditional investments like stocks, bonds, and cash? When a currency loses its value rapidly, investments tied to that currency suffer as well. Savings accounts, bonds, and even stocks can lose their value, leaving investors with diminished purchasing power and putting their retirement at risk. Now that you understand the dangers of hyperinflation and the benefits of investing in precious metals, it's time to take action. Don't wait until it's too late to protect your hard-earned retirement savings. Consider moving your 401k to a precious metals IRA today and give yourself peace of mind knowing that your future is secured, even in the face of economic uncertainty that we are facing today. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more valuable insights on securing your financial future. Remember, the best defense against hyperinflation is being proactive and prepared. Act now and safeguard your retirement with the precious metals. Don't miss out on the opportunity to secure your financial future with a precious metals IRA. Click the link below and receive a free investor's guide, packed with essential insights and expert advice on how to make the most of your retirement savings. Take the first step towards a safer and more diversified investment strategy today. Click the link now and unlock your access to our exclusive free Precious Metals IRA Investor's Guide. To find out more about how to get free gold, just to learn about Gold IRA, go to freegoldoffer.info. Fill out your contact information and Augusta Precious Metals will contact you and explain how to get free gold with no purchase necessary.